ഇപ്പോൾ സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരിയുടെ പ്രതികരണം വരുന്നു. ഈ വിഷയത്തിൽ സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരിയുടെ പ്രതികരണം എന്താണ് എന്ന് കൂടി നമുക്കറിയാം. സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരി തത്സമയം.
People who are involved in it must be identified and properly punished. And secondly, the inquiry should also determine what is this gold converted into money is going to be used for. What was the purpose for which such a high degree of smuggling was taking place? Now, these are very dangerous matters and they have to be thoroughly inquired. Is the central government's responsibility. And they should do it as soon as possible. And that is why I would like everybody, all the political parties, not to divert the attention, but to focus on this issue of how this sort of smuggling was allowed in our country. What are the lapses by which agency who allowed this to happen? And all those who are involved in this must be brought to book.
Opposition parties demanded for CBI inquiry and they asked that state government must hand over this case to CBI. Because
that the centre will decide. State government will do whatever once the chief minister has written to the prime minister saying that we want a high level inquiry by the central government. Whatever agency the central government decides, they will decide, and accordingly whatever is required will be made available by the state government. That's the normal course in which, and no course of law when it happens. So it's not a question of any decision to be taken by the state government now. It is now with the central government. They will decide which agency will probe. They will ask what papers and what people should be summoned and what is it. That all those are decisions pertaining to the inquiry to be determined by the central government.
Will it tarnish the image of a state government? Or?
We have asked for an inquiry. Now it's up to the central government.
Now these allegations.
How? Allegations are meaningless unless inquiry proves anything. Let the inquiry take place and then the truth will come out. And whoever is guilty of anything of that, they should be properly punished. Okay?
Comrade, allegations are arising against the Chief Minister's office also.
Whatever be the allegations, once the inquiry is there, that will go into all that, no? Once an inquiry is there, whatever be the allegations, everything will be inquired into. So let that be inquired, let all this be inquired into. But most importantly, how this smuggling was taking place. Huh? The state, it's not in the state government's jurisdiction. Smuggling of any substance which is not allowed to be brought into the country by law is a matter of a central law. It is a central subject. State governments don't have any role to play in it. They will cooperate if there is a central inquiry.
Comrade, another party in LDF, CPI.
It is investigated by CBI or any other central agency.
That the central...
it can be included the CM's office also?
That they will decide who is inquiring. Whoever is inquiring will decide. The letter of the Chief Minister is very clear. He says this whole matter should be inquired into. So it's up to the central government and the inquiring agency.
CPI also raises some issues regarding this.
Those I'm telling you, as far as the issue of the smuggling is concerned, it's a very serious issue. It should be properly, thoroughly inquired. All those who are guilty must be punished.
ഈ വിഷയമാണ് സ്വർണ്ണക്കടത്തെന്നും ഈ വിഷയം കേന്ദ്ര ഏജൻസികൾ കൃത്യമായിട്ട് അന്വേഷിച്ചതിന് പിന്നിൽ ആരാണോ അവരെ പുറത്തു കൊണ്ടുവരണം എന്നുമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരി CPM ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി ഇപ്പോൾ മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്.